Hello everyone, do you hear me? Hello, hello. Yeah, please type yes if you can hear me in the chat. And yeah, good morning everyone. And before we start, quick disclaimer: nothing you see here is a financial advice. I'm just sharing how I trade the market in real time. You're responsible for your own decisions. So I thought about something. I have some trades in mind that I will take, and I thought about sharing them with you here in the live stream. I will be also sharing the trades on my premium channel. So please, if you can hear me clearly and you see me clearly and everything is okay, please type yes on the chat. And also for everyone, please let me know where you guys are from. And if you can hear music too. So today I'm looking into some possible ideas for people who are new. These labels here means that we are in a buy position in these pairs. The green ones mean that we are in a buy position. The red ones means that we are in a sell position. And the yellow ones are the trades I'm thinking about taking them. So yeah, welcome FX Chain. So I will take a position here on the AUD USD sell position. I think we are in a good downtrend and we can take a sell position here. So let me enter the position. I didn't, so if you can see for AUD USD, I'm not in a position yet, so I will take it right now. So I will sell the AUD USD and share it also with my premium group. So my entry is at 0.65929, and yeah, me share it quickly with the premium group. So the entry is 0.6529, and for AUD USD, and the first take profit I will target the 30 pips, so 0.6499, the second 0.6429, and the third is 0.6329, and for the stop loss it will be 0.6599. This is the first take profit, and this is the stop loss. And yeah, we are in a sell position here, and let me update my stop loss and everything. 6499, and the stop loss is 6599, so 0.6599 and 0.6429. And yeah, please guys, where you are watching from, which countries? 0.599 and 0.656329. So this is the full trade. I think there is a possibility here for a slowdown if prices touch this level here, but I think we will be already at take profit 2. So even if the trade goes against us, we will be securing 30 and 100, so 130 pips. So the second trade that I'm looking into is this one, the EURUSD, and we entered this trade yesterday, but we got stopped out. I believe we entered here, yeah, after this big fat green candle. But yeah, we entered here on this engulfing candle, but we were stopped out. So I need to think about it a bit, if this trade worth taking a position on it. Yeah, we have a strong key lever here. So the EURUSD is ranging since July. So I'm thinking about, there's a small uptrend right here, and yeah, if I put a buy position here, let me check the previous lows. This is my position. I'm not taking it yet. I need to look if this trade worth looking into. So one thing that I already do is, when I'm not 100% sure about the setup, I leave it like this and I go to see other opportunities, then get back to it. Okay, so I'm not 100% confident. I need to think about this, if everything aligns with a buy position here. So we'll leave it like this and go to another trade. So I'm thinking about taking a trade here for the EURUSD. We got stopped out yesterday also because we took a position here, I believe, and we were stopped out after this touch on this 4-hour EMA. I think we took a position here after this engulfing and we were stopped out. So the trend looks good. Let me draw a trend line. So I wouldn't, so this channel doesn't need to touch all the points, because price doesn't move like that. So this is a good trend line. I think there is a breakout here, but yeah, I will think about taking a position if the price goes to this level. I will not take a position right now on the EURUSD. What interesting right now is the EURUSD. We took a position last week here. We sold the EURUSD. We touched the TP1 and the TP2. We made some profits. I told you that in the last stream that I think the price will do this, and yeah, it did it. But the problem is the price touched our entry point. Yeah, let me answer your question, FX Chain. Since I'm using this big time frame moving averages, because this is the daily time frame, this one, the pink one is for the daily time frame. I don't need to look into this higher time frames, because these EMAs are still the same. They don't change when I change the time frame. That's why I usually zoom out, yeah, because it's exactly the same thing. If you can see, I'm seeing the last 7 months here with only the daily time frame. I don't need to see it on the 4 hours or daily, but sometimes I do it, yeah. But this is enough for me. I will take a position here on the EURUSD. I think we have a perfect setup here. And yeah, let me quickly share it with my group and also quickly enter it because I didn't enter it yet. And yeah, FX Chain, if you have any questions, just let me know. So I am selling this, and yeah, please mark this on your chart. Do not copy trade me, just mark this on your chart and send me a message once you got some profitable positions, or if you touch the stop loss. I think this is a good setup here. So the entry is at 115.87. Let me quickly update that in the group. 115.87. The first take profit will be 115.57. The second take profit will be 114.87, and the third take profit will be 113.87, and yeah, 116.57 for the stop loss. So I share this on my group. Let me enter the stop loss and the take profit level in my MT4 right here. And yeah, 115, 116.57, 115.57. The second position, because I always enter 3 position, 116.57 and 115.87, 114.87, and the third one will be 113.87. 113.87. Yeah, so we are in a sell position on the EURUSD. I think the setup looks good. Yeah, what do you think, guys? And for this trade, we are simply waiting. I think after some 2 1-hour candles, I will close it if I see another rejection here, because we already did that here in this level, and if I see that the price is moving like this, I will simply close it. So for the GBPUSD, we have a good key level here, and yeah, the trend is already up, and yeah, I'm using this indicator. This is my personal indicator where I have some fixed EMAs. These EMAs are the daily, the 4-hour, the other 4-hour, 1 hour, and the 15 minutes. These EMAs doesn't move. For example, if I change the time frame, they stick, and yeah, these are like dynamic support and resistance for me, and I like trading them because if you can see, price respect them highly, so yeah, I think I will go into this position. We have a good trade here to the GBPUSD. So GBP is becoming stronger in the last 2 weeks. So I think I will go in, and we'll share it also in the group. So let me go in first to see which price I entered at, and share that on the group. And please also prepare your questions if you have ones, and let me know where are you watching from. So the entry is at 231.48, and this depends on my broker, because here on the trading view they are using FX CM, and I'm using VT markets like all my Telegram members. So the entry is at 231.48 for the GBP and ZD, 231.48, the 232.48, 233.48, and for the first take profit is 231.78, and for the stop loss it will be 230.78. So yeah, we are in this buy position right here. And yeah, let me update that quickly on my MT4, the levels 231.78, and for the stop loss is 230.78 also. And let me quickly update the stop loss and take profit on my account. 232.48, and for the third one is 233.48. The stop loss will be 230.78. Yeah, and let's see if this trade plays out. If it hits stop loss, let it hit stop loss. We simply don't care, because this strategy is already working. You see the weekly results that I'm posting in the Telegram channel, and yeah, sometimes, most of the times, my weekly results are profitable once a month or once every 2 months. We get a negative week. So let me look into the USD CAD. I think we have an opportunity to go into a buy here. Let me check if the stop loss will be far enough. Yeah, I think we have an opportunity right here, because the USD CAD break this downtrend here and started in an uptrend, and this is the perfect moment to go into a trade like this, because if we catch the big trend it will be great. So I will enter the USD CAD also. And yeah, for people who see me and say this guy, he's entering trades quickly and doesn't do enough analysis. Yeah, trading doesn't need to be complicated. It's very simple. You just need a profitable strategy, and yeah, and a simple system, because trading is all about systems. You don't need to draw 100 lines on the chart or draw Fibonacci's and other nonsense, because I tried this strategy I think for 4 or 5 years right now, working great, being profitable. Yeah, as long as I'm using this strategy and I don't need to overcomplicate things. Let me share this position with my group. And yeah, a quick disclaimer, also do not copy trade me. So USD CAD, the entry was in 140.42. Let me quickly share the position. 170 to 141.42 and 1. Hi Kolo, how are you? Where are you guys from who are watching? Tell me which countries are you from. 42, and make sure to subscribe everyone and like the live stream. That will help me a lot and encourage me on doing daily live streams like this, because yeah, if I see no engagement, I will simply stop it, because I don't, yeah, doesn't help me at all. Yeah, hi Leo from Italy. Yeah, great country. I love Italy. Best clothes, best cars, yeah, best food. Let me quickly share this. Germany. Hi. I was in Germany for 7 years. Where are you from in Germany? Which which city? I was studying there. 72. From Poland. Best regards. Yeah, I had my friend, my little brother, studying in Poland, in Warsaw, and he told me that Poland is great. And yeah, I've never been in Poland, but I will be, interested in visiting it, because yeah, it's developing a lot, developing fast, and many people there are telling me that yeah, things looks great there. Let me quickly enter the stop loss on my phone. In München and Nuremberg. Yeah, I was in Nuremberg and München both. Yeah, I watched the football match in the Allianz Arena in Munich, and I was in Nuremberg, I believe, in 2014, because I was studying in Germany, but for the first year, yeah, I needed to pass the German test. So the DSH, the Deutsche, what is called DSH, Deutsche Hochschule, I don't remember, and the test of the Goethe Institute. I took the DAF test in Nuremberg, then I did go to Hanover, and I did the DSH test there. Then after that, I entered the University of Wuppertal. Yeah, and please, if you have any questions or you want me to look into a chart or something, just let me know. Let me enter this second position. Yeah, I moved back to Morocco. I'm living here in Morocco because yeah, you can see it on my car's number plate. I'm living here in Morocco. Good weather, good everything, good food. Yeah, good women, good everything. And I also originally I was born here. Yeah. Have you ever, one of you, been in Morocco before? I'm interested in hearing your thoughts about it. 41, 42, and 43, 42, 39, 72. So I can't speak and do two things at the same time. That's why I was entering the position on my phone. Yeah, the food is great. The cost of living is good. It's becoming like Europe, Spain, to be honest, because for Germany and for other countries, yeah, I hated being in Germany, to be honest. nothing to do there in the weekends. Yeah, you need to always be traveling if you are not working, because there's nothing to do in Germany beside working. USD CAD, yeah, I'm interested also in the USDJPY. Let me check if we can have a good stop loss here. Yes, we will enter because we are simply following the uptrend. We are simply following the uptrend. Trading needs to be simple as that, not 100 indicator and 200 lines and ICT orb that. Or I don't say that these strategy don't work, but yeah, my strategy works and this is enough for me. I don't need to bother with other strategy or other things, because you don't change what it's already working. So we'll go in. The entry was 56.29 and yeah, the stop loss is at good position. And yeah, these trades, all these trades that you saw here are being shared in my group. USDJPY, the entry is at 156.29. Let me quickly update that in the group. 59, 157.29, 158.29, and the stop loss is at 155.59. So let me just finish this and we will be chatting together and also looking into other charts and explaining my strategy further. 156.59. So, and the stop loss is at 155.39 and 157.29. And what do you do for living in Germany, Emir? I think you are originally from Turkey, from your name, because there is most of population here in Germany are either Germans, Polish people, or Turkish people. Let me quickly update my stop loss on the MT4 and I will be done. 59 and 129. The best thing I found in Germany is the Autobahn, to be honest. This is the absolute best thing. So you can take your car and do whatever speed you want on the unrestricted parts, of course. So the Nasdaq, I've entered this position yesterday on Nasdaq. All TP hit. The risk reward was 1 to 4 here. If you were on my live stream yesterday, you will see me take this position. So this is closed. And let me quickly check what other pairs are doing. And this for the new people who are joining the live stream, so the labels mean that we are either on buy or sell position, depends on the color. And if it's yellow, I'm interested in taking a trade on them. That's me. It means that the price is near a key level or is doing something that I like, and yeah, I'm thinking about taking a position in it. So, and yeah, for all these trades also that you see labeled, that means that the premium group got these trades also without watching the live stream. And yeah, just receiving that on Telegram, and I've also shared with them a good software that it can copy trades from directly from Telegram to their accounts, without doing anything, and it can close trades automatically, etc. If you have any idea about how Telegram copiers work, you simply connect the software with my Telegram, and it handles all the trades automatically. So for the AUD CAD, we are in the buy position. This is today what's going on my account here. So we are in slight profit, I think 3,800 USD. So we had a stop loss in this morning and one take profit. So we are slightly in the negative today. And yeah, this is of course my personal account. And yeah, no one shares that, to be honest. No one tell people that he lost money today. And this is a tiny loss, not huge. We already in profits floating. So we entered this last week, USDJPY. I'm interested in selling this pair, but we are already in this trade in a small drawdown, and this trade in a small drawdown. Where is it? EURUSD. Yeah. So because these pairs, the USDJPY, the CAD CHF, the Euro CHF, the GBP CHF, and the ZD CHF, and the USD CHF moves together. I can't go all of them, because if price simply goes against me, I will be having 5 stop losses. That's why I'm only in 2 positions. This one already hit my first take profit. The stop loss is already at the entry, so we still have only 2 positions in the CHF. That's why I didn't enter this trade right here. And let me go into this the second buy position that we are in. So we are in a slight drawdown. It's normal. Maybe the price do this, or it simply do this and get back to this EMA here. But why I entered this trade in this EMA, in this 4-hour EMA? Because the price didn't touch it since July. You see here, since July. That's why I thought that this EMA is strong enough to hold the price, but the price broke it, and we need to see what it will do, either the stop loss or get back to profit. And everyone new in the chat, just please let me know where are you from, where are you watching from, and what are your questions about the stream. And if you have any suggestions or any suggestions for me to do something, or to look into a pair or something. So USD, we entered this trade, I think 15 minutes ago, live in this live stream. We started 35 minutes ago. And this trade is still in drawdown. slight drawdown. This one we've entered live on the live stream of the day before yesterday, yeah. And yeah, GP1 hit. We are waiting for it to hit GP2 and maybe GP3. So the stop loss is already at the break even. So even if the price goes against us, the trade is already risk free. So yeah, I told you I will think about going in this Euro AUD. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not 100% comfortable with this one. I need to think about it for a while. And yeah, because this is a really important EMA. This is the daily EMA, and price started to range here between this EMAs, and that means that price is stopped trending and started ranging, but it stopped trending on the bigger time frames here, but on the smaller time frame, the 1 hour, there is, yeah, it looks like there is an uptrend here. But yeah, I'm not 100% sure, and I think I will dismiss this trade because I'm not comfortable taking it. But I will I will keep looking into it from time to time. Maybe price, the best case scenario is the price comes to this level, then shoot up. That would be the best trade possible for the Euro USD. For the EuroCAD, yeah, we entered this trade last week, touched the TP1 and TP2, and yeah, the trade is simply open. We are simply waiting because trading is a waiting game. For the Euro CHF, we are still in a small drawdown. I don't care. I will leave it either to hit the stop loss or take the profit, because I'm not trying to make $1 million per month. I'm just trade my profitable strategy and make a percentage of my capital. That's all. Because if you think that with trading you can get rich quick from $500, you are simply dreaming, to be honest. That's not possible. So it's, if you try to flip accounts, the $500 accounts to $10,000 account, you are simply gambling. You are simply gambling. You are not trading a strategy or doing a high skilled thing. So I was talking also about the Euro NZD, but I don't like this chart right here. I don't like going into a breakout like here, because this is since July, I believe, since June. Price never broke this channel, only once here. And here, if I see a really good indication that the price will go up, I will definitely enter a trade. But now I don't see that. That's why I'm not entering it. And we are already on too many positions. We will look into them after that. So this one, we entered this trade since 5 minutes here in the stream, and I told you why we entered this trade. And if you have any questions, just let me know about anything here on the charts. So let me quickly delete this arrows. And I think price will go up, but I need to see it right here in this level. If price cross this level, I will be out of the trade. It will need to cross this level with the big candle without any wick or something, and with a confirmation candle that the price will go up. So that's why I put the alert here to see after the 1 hour candle close if I will close the trade or not. And that's why I didn't move, for example, the stop loss to this level, because a simple wick can get me out, and I don't want to be out from a trade simply because of a wick. That's why I did an alert here, and I will be alerted once the price crosses this level here. And this one we entered this trade since 3 minutes, and this one we entered this trade yesterday because the dollar was started to come stronger and stronger, and for the NZD it's weaker since I think July. That's why I entered this trade, because there was a good trade here in the past. We entered this trade on the Telegram channel, and I thought I will enter this trade here. Maybe it will go directly into our stop loss, or it will go back and hit profit. This is what my strategy tells me that I need to enter here. I execute my strategy without any emotions, without any second thoughts. If the price goes to the stop loss, so let be it. If the price goes to the take profit, it's great. We move on. So we entered this trade also in the live stream, and this one we entered this yesterday, the day before yesterday, on the first live stream. And this one we entered this trade since 5 minutes also. We look into gold. I don't like gold recently because it's ranging a lot. For example, if you see, we have a range here since 2.5 days. I don't like when gold starts to range, and we will need to wait to see if golds simply go back to this moving average and shoot up, or this is the worst case scenario, because gold will always be up. The worst thing that gold can do is come to this level, because like you see, since the start of this since 2023, gold never went above this 4-hour EMA, this one daily EMA. But in August, price did break out of all these EMAs, and shooting up since then. So that's why I'm not interested in going into a gold trade right now, and unless there is an indication of a huge momentum. Let's look into BTC. I think it's revived again. It was at $80,000 and started retracting, but I think this will touch, I think, 100k and do something like that and continue going down, because I think, in my opinion, we entered a bear market for crypto. I usually I will answer Colo about his question. He told me how many percent of your account you risk per trade. I usually risk 1 to 2% per trade. That's it. I never, yeah, for gold I risk 1%, never risk 2%. But for some setups I can risk 2%. And I'm not trading on a prop firm or something. I don't have any rules to break. So this is my capital only. For example, I risk 2% per trade if I see that, for example, for that price never touch the or price usually respect the daily EMA, everything aligns together, there is an uptrend, there is a confirmation candle, a strong confirmation candle, either an engulfing one or or a hammer or inverted hammer for a downtrend, then I can go comfortably and risk 2%. But for highly probable trades I risk 1%. For super highly probable trades I risk 2%. And yeah, if you have any more questions, just let me know. And yeah, if you need me to look into a chart or something, or have an idea or have a trade idea in your head, just let me know too. We're now at 48 minutes in the stream. And yeah, if you have any charts you want me to look into, just type in the chat message. So for this I will need to turn off my webcam for 10 seconds and I will go back. Please give me some time. Hello again. So for the USDJPY doesn't want to move because these pairs is moving slowly, and most of the forex majors move slowly beside GBPJPY and EURUSD. EURUSD will be moving a lot faster when the US market is open in 1.5 hours. So let me check all the pairs and see if I can spot something. We're still in drawdown here, but there's a sign of a rejection of this level, so I think price will go in our direction. If not, no problem. We already in profits, I think, this week. Let me check my Telegram channel. YouTube doesn't like me to share this Telegram channel here because of showing people information, so I will be looking into my private Telegram channel here. And count we started this week on the 24th, and let's see how much pips or we made this week. So the first take profit is the USDJPY. Let me calculator later. So we have 30 pips the first take profit of this week. And yeah, the USDCAD, the second one is for gold, 30 pips. The third one is for USDJPY, 30 pips. And the fourth one is for gold, also 30 pips. The fifth one is for gold, also 30 pips. And I lost count. The other one is at 30 pips for gold also. Then CADJPY, then USDJPY, then EURUJPY, then EURUCAD, 100 pips, and the EURUAUD that I shared last week in the free channel also, 200 pips. And yeah, GBPCAD, 200 pips. The GBPJPY we made 30 pips. The gold we lost 70 pips. 70 times 3, that's 210 pips. We lost another trade on gold, so 210 pips. We made 30 pips on gold also. Another 30 pips on gold. 30 pips plus 30 pips plus another 100 pips on gold. And 200 pips on gold also. Full trade closed. Then we made 30 pips on sell on GBPUSD that we have open. Then 100 pips. Then 30 pips on USDJPY. 30 pips on CADJPY also. 100 pips on EURUJPY. 30 pips for gold. We lost on the EURUSD yesterday at night, and we made 30 pips on USDCHF. We lost this morning 210 pips on EURUAUD, and yeah, we made 670 pips this week. So let's say if you are risking 0.1 lot size, you will have made $670. If you are risking 0.01 lot size, yeah, that's $67. If you are using one lot size, that $6,700. Easy as that. But the pip count is not 100% equals the lot size, because on some pairs, for example, the EURUSD $1 equal 0.1 lot size, but for the other pairs like the GBPJPY is less than that, and for other pairs like the GBPCHF or the USDCHF is more than $1. That's why it's only approximate. So, and yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know, and please put a like on this live stream and make sure to subscribe and put the notification bell on to not to miss the next live streams. So we entered this trade, it's in slight profits. This one, I would like for it to come to this level right here, then go up. And yeah, we are in slight drawdown for this trade. Yeah, beside this 670 pips that we have, we are still in a positive floating here. You see, we still have many open positions, and yeah, that's more than 670 pips for this week. So let me check again the chart. Do you guys have any ideas how, yeah, I can make the stream more interesting? Because, yeah, I would like to the stream to be more interesting and more action based, because, yeah, with forex pairs, they simply move slowly and slower than for example, gold or indices. And yeah, we need to make some action on this stream. I did 30 minutes yesterday of scalping gold. I don't know if you liked it or want me to do that again. So everything moves slowly, and this is good because what moves slowly is not stressful. You are waiting for this trade to touch this level with an indication of an uptrend, then we close. If there is some wick or something, we'll keep the trade open. GBP NZD is looking great, so let's hope for it to touch the first take profit to move the stop loss into the break even. This one is still in slight drawdown. This one is still at entry. This one, take profit, one hit. The stop loss is already at the break even, and yeah, we simply wait. If it touches this level here, we'll be out with no loss, no profits, besides the 30 pips that we made before. Let me check the Telegram channel if someone has some questions there. And yeah, I will share the live stream link again on the Telegram channel. One second. Let's look closely into gold this morning. Not doing anything, just ranging, to be honest. I would be interested in going long here. That's it. Because I don't like how gold moves, especially today and yesterday. So yeah, there was some entries here, for example at this candle, but yeah, I don't like how gold moves recently. That's why I didn't get in. Let's check Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also ranging quite seriously, so yeah, it's ranging since yesterday market close. Yeah, not even a channel, it's like I think it's ranging is this in this range, and yeah, but Nasdaq moves explosively when the US session starts. We will keep it like this. If the price broke this line here, it usually go back to retest, then continue. And in the same time, if price broke this level here, it will do a retest here and continue. This is the first scenario. The second scenario is not break this level without a retest. It continues up like this, or continues down like this. But 10% of the time, just Nasdaq just do this: break this level, and continue up, or the opposite. Yeah, let me guys know if you have any questions, or yeah, you want me to look into something. Let me delete this nonsense and sorry, and keep only these two lines. Yeah, to keep an eye on it. Yeah, it's ranging. Yeah, it doesn't do anything. So I think we need to wait for the New York session to start to see some movement on Nasdaq. But I think price will continue going up, to be honest. Check gold again. Yeah, it's moving downwards. I think it would be a great opportunity to buy here after some confirmation, and yeah, and target this high, this previous high here. Let me here. So what do you think, guys? Should I go into a position in gold? Type yes in the chat if you want me to do that. Yeah, it's reacting to this level. I think we can have a buy position in this level right here, and yeah, let's wait. If we miss our entry, for example, and price shoot up, there is no entry. Easy as that, because a rushed entry is always bad. So let me do an alert here to be alerted if price goes to this, yeah, to this price level. And yeah, we check the other positions. Yeah, trading is boring, and it needs to be boring. Yeah, unless it becomes gambling when trading isn't boring. Because if you have one system and you execute based on this system, it becomes boring. EURUSD is barely moving. The EURUSD, we are already in profit. I think price will do something like this and this. Yeah, that's why I'm keeping this position open. This one already in drawdown. Price can go, for example, to this high and go down, because EURUSD is going down, I think, since April or since August. All the CHF pairs are going down with time, because the CHF is tightly is having a strong connection with gold. That's why all the CHF pairs are going down, because CHF is strong and gold is also strong, because like you see here. So when gold goes up, CHF goes up, no? And the other pairs goes down, because the CHF is stronger. That's why the pair is going down. Yeah, it can be a good entry here on gold, but let's wait for the price to reach this level here. Yeah. Gold will always move up. That's a fact. Let you guys know if you have any questions. It can do this, or it can simply continue going up, but it's not probable, to be honest. I'm eager to see the GBPUSD. It's moving good. I think it still have 14 pips or 65 and 78, 13 pips to touch our first take profit. I think this was a good entry on GBPUSD. For the NZD/USD, you are in a small drawdown. This one still at our entry, slightly, and USDJPY is at our entry. So let's wait and see what the market will give us. See if you go, for example, after this engulfing candle here, it's not engulfing but just a big fat green candle, you will be a slight drawdown. That's why I'm waiting for the price to come to this level to maybe, yeah, enter a buy position here. How long I am live right now? For 1 hour and 10 minutes. Great. Seriously, I enjoy going live and explain things to you guys. And yeah, that's why I'm doing it. I'm enjoying talking with people. I'm an introvert. I don't like to be on camera like this and everything. But when answering people questions about the charts and everything, I enjoy sharing this with you, because this is what I enjoy more, trading. Yeah, gold keeps going down. Let me check. Yeah, I hope it keeps going down for a bit until 41, 48 or 41, 47 or 41, 46 would be even better to have a better entry on gold. And yeah, let's check. Yeah, Nasdaq, what it's doing. I think yeah, it's broken this this key level. Is the live stream still up? Yeah. I thought I did go offline. So let me check where gold is it. Yeah, I hope gold will go down more. 45, 46, 47, depends on what candles can we see there at that level. And yeah. Yeah, we are still live, I believe. Yeah, because I see some problems here on the YouTube studio. I'm not that familiar with this, but I think we are still live. Yeah, let's wait for gold to do what I want, then go into a position in it. It's better for gold to go down a bit, for example, on this 41, 46 to have even a greater entry and a greater probability of touching all TPs. Let's wait. It seems like it rejecting this level here, this 41, 49. It can either shoot up from here or go to our entry, then take an entry and shoot up, or nuke. But what's more probable is this scenario right here. That's why we are waiting, because gold is always faking things, highly manipulated. And yeah, I don't encourage people to trade gold with small capitals, because it's extremely volatile and it can blow your account fast. Because one thing, when you go into a gold trade, price moves so fast, and for inexperienced people, it can touch your stop loss. You tend to increase your lot size after taking a loss. That's called revenge trading. Then you keep increasing your lot size, then you feel hot on your head, and you keep just gambling until you blow your account. Let's check where Nasdaq is at. Yeah, I think we can, I don't know, do you guys want me to do a quick scalp on Nasdaq before the markets open? Because my scenario here is, since this breakout, I would like to the price to come back here, then take a ride with it in the downwards. Although I told you that the Nasdaq, I think, will go up, but I think after the market opening, and we still have 70 minutes until the markets open. Let's wait and see what will happen. I need to get my other account so we can do this test. Yeah, I will not share this with my group. Gold is still at this level because let's wait and see. For the Nasdaq, I don't know. This is not a huge breakout or something. We just need to wait. Let me check the other positions. I think GBPUSD we were in profits and we are still in profits. This one still moving slowly. This one is coming back from a bit of drawdown. This one is in slight profits. This one, slight drawdown. GBPUSD is approaching that level that I told you about. If there is a big fat candle here, I will close manually. So I need to wait for the hourly candle to pass, or if there is a wick here, I will keep this position and hope the price will continue going down, because it's in a big downtrend. GBPUSD is moving great. I hope you catch this. And other things are still not moving. So gold, I think, went up a bit. It's respecting this moving average. Nasdaq is also respecting this moving average here. This 3 times only, and 4th time, but before it was ranging. So it's like a mini downtrend here. So the first take profit is at 31.78, 10 pips away. Let me turn off the camera for 10 seconds like always. And let's see. Like you see, the Nasdaq is tightening up and it will explode. Remember that. When markets open, it will explode. I think we did have a small entry here, but it doesn't worth the risk because the first take profit would be at 50 pips. The stop loss would be at 50 pips, and yeah, price will not move that much after this range until the markets open. We check gold. Gold is also still in his place. I would like it to go down here, then up. And yeah, if gold gave us an entry, we'll be entering that on premium also. So we are live since 1 hour and 22. I think I will be offline soon. Yeah, I have some things to do. Go to lunch, then get back and trade again. And make sure to join my Telegram channel, first link in the description, if you want automated entries. I think gold would not move that much before markets opening, to be honest. Yeah, that's why I think I will go and do my work, do my stuff, have some lunch, then come back to the charts again. Make sure to join my Telegram channel is in this first link in the description, and please follow me on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe, and yeah, let's meet tomorrow on another time live stream. Thank you everyone, and yeah.